Alrighty, got a new package. Very excited. Let's see what this is. I know what it is. You don't know what it is. I know what it is because I ordered it. It's an exhaust for my motorcycle. They did a good, nice job wrapping this. It came off of a damaged bike. So, start with a little primary incision here. Always cut away from you. Don't ever cut toward yourself. That's just dumb. Oh yeah. Come on, buddy. Man, that screw is really holding it. Ooh. Wow, it's super used. Ooh. Oh yeah. Good stuff. All right. Let's cut this. Oh, nice. Okay. Cool. Oh, nice. Okay, yeah, this thing looks sweet. This is a Delkevic, I don't know, UK. Very popular muffler. A lot of people buy this. We've got some dents here. I don't know if you can really kind of move it. You can see there's one there. They showed all these in the pictures. I just don't really care, dented or not. It was like half the price of a brand new one. And I could definitely restore this. And this I thought was much worse than it looks. It doesn't look that bad. Like I can definitely drill these rivets out, get in there and pop it open. But yeah, I don't know. I'm pretty happy with this thing. Hopefully it'll quiet the bike down. It's just, the bike is kind of annoying right now. So yeah, I think that's how it goes. I might do a little install video. Yeah, but that's that. So I'm pretty excited about this. Yeah, I could definitely clean this up with some barkeeper's friend or something. Yeah. Anywho, yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna post something when I swap it out.